Hey everybody, welcome back to TAZ's Wig Closet at Wig Studio 1. Today I'm going to give you 10 reasons why you should not wait to start wearing wigs. Coming up. If you have hair loss, if you have thinning hair due to hormones or aging, it can really take a toll on your life. I spent years of my life hiding myself away, being ashamed of my hair loss, spending tons of money on pills and potions, just hoping for that next miracle, avoiding social situations. I can only imagine all of the missed opportunities that could have really enriched my life and made me happy. I was 46 years old when I started to feel good again because of wigs. Wigs absolutely changed my life. My only regret is that I didn't start sooner. So here's 10 reasons why you should not wait to start wearing wigs. So starting to wear wigs is a process. Selecting your very first wig, making those decisions, getting used to the physical sensation of having a wig on, getting used to your family and friends' reaction to you wearing a wig. Finally, maybe going out into public or maybe going to work with that wig and getting over some of those emotional hurdles that comes along with this process. The process is different for everyone in terms of how long it's going to take and how you get there. That doesn't matter as long as you're persistent and understand that it's totally worth it. Number 2, start improving your life right now. Wigs can inspire you to improve all areas of your life, your health, your financial, and your relationships. When you put a wig on and you really enjoy the way you look, it makes you want to be the best version of yourself in this lifetime. So let wigs start inspiring you to live your best life. Number 3, take back your precious time. Wigs are going to save you tons of time. Think about all the time that you spend with your hair treatments, the shampoos, the conditioners, taking the pills, rubbing in the potions. Just think of it. Also, think about the time it takes for you to get ready in the morning. If you have hair loss or thinning hair, it's especially important that your hair be on point as much as possible. There were times when I would redo my hair 2 or 3 times in the morning before I left to work, and the stress and anxiety of that really took a toll on me. Wearing wigs is going to save you 30 to 60 minutes every day, I would say, on average, and you're always going to be in a great mood because every day is a perfect hair day. Number 4, you deserve this, and your family deserves this too. If you're happier, if you're less stressed out and anxious over your own hair situation, the whole family is going to be happier. Not only is family life going to be easier around the house, but you're going to get in the game. Without those hair loss issues and anxiety over that, you're going to get out there and really participate in life with your family. I remember just hiding out with kids' functions when they had a sporting event, a musical event, or a school program. I would kind of sneak in and stay towards the back because I had this hair loss situation that I was so fearful of being judged that I hid myself away. So with that being removed, you now have beautiful hair. You can be your authentic self. You can put your best foot forward and be there for your family. Number 5, watch the opportunities and abundance come your way when you start wearing wigs. Stop blocking yourself with insecurity. Watch all of that melt away when you get used to your new wig life. When you meet people's eyes, when you get involved in activities, it opens up a whole new world of opportunities. And when those opportunities do come your way, you're more likely to say yes and embrace the adventure that it brings. Friendships, job advancements, increased abundance in financial matters. Your self-image and self-worth and confidence are going to go through the roof. Be prepared for all the wonderful opportunities you won't want to miss. Number 6, why you don't want to wait to start wearing wigs is the convenience of the wig life. It's going to save you a lot of time and hassle. Let's say you have a little bit of a disability where you're unable to style your hair in a way that you would like. Or what if you're caring for a loved one and you neglect your own personal style because you have to take care of someone that you love? Wouldn't a wig be nice just to throw it on? I call it the plug and chug method. So with wigs, you can just plug them on and chug out the door. You don't ever have to worry about your hair. Special occasions, social events, an early work meeting, it's going to be so convenient when you start wearing wigs. Number 7, why you should not wait to start wearing wigs. Stop throwing your money away on the pills and potions and miracles that are never ever going to come. The real miracle is the beauty and magic of modern day wigs. Modern wigs are made in a way that give you complete realism. They will absolutely transform your look and your life. I used to spend tons of money on a hairdresser. Every 4 weeks I had a very expensive color job done with multiple layers of color, something that would help me camouflage some of the sparse areas on my scalp. I can't believe how much money it cost me over the years on the hairstylist, on all of that color processing. And you know what? I'm not even sure that it made a big difference. Looking back, if I could have just saved all of that money that I spent on all of those color jobs at the hair salon, I probably could have been retired by now. That's just another reason why you shouldn't wait to start wearing wigs. Number 8 on my list of reasons why you shouldn't wait to start wearing wigs is you need a hobby. How many times have you thought to yourself, boy, I wish I had something just for me? And a lot of times you get busy with your life, you get busy with your career and raising your children that you forget all about yourself. That was my situation. So wigs as a hobby is just another reason why you shouldn't wait to start wearing wigs. Wigs are fun. Wigs indulge your creative side, something that you may have been neglecting for many years. Number 9, why you shouldn't wait to start wearing wigs is personal growth. Overcoming your fear of something new. Forever and ever, you've probably been in a little bit of a routine. Routines work when you're raising families and you have a career and you're in the meat of your life. But when it comes time for you to do something for yourself, breaking through those fears will not only strengthen you, breaking through the fear of starting to wear wigs will give you a sense of personal growth, achievement, and confidence. Starting to wear wigs might give you a little bit of fear, right? But is it really more fear than what you feel every single day going out in the hair that you currently have? Wouldn't you rather transform that? Get over the fear of wearing wigs so that you can start enjoying your life. And finally, number 10 on my top 10 reasons why you shouldn't put off starting to wear wigs is the satisfying experience of giving back. I always like to say you're changing hearts and minds one at a time. We want to pave the way. We want to be pioneers in this process to pave the way for our daughters and our granddaughters so that they can wear wigs without any kind of stigma. It should be looked at no differently than makeup, clothing, or any other kind of beauty product that enhances our beauty and self-esteem. So wear your wigs with pride. You are helping generations to come. So I really hope this was helpful to you today. See you next time on Taz's Wig Closet at Wig Studio 1.